Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to easily create a monkey app account. First, open the Play Store and install the monkey app. I already have it installed, so I am going to open it now. Once you open the app, you will see a few sign up options. You can sign up using TikTok or Facebook, but I recommend using Google because it's the easiest way. Just tap on Google and choose your Google account. After that, you can edit your name, select your birthday and choose your gender. Then tap Next. Now, your monkey app account is successfully created. You can go to the profile tab and upload your profile picture. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.